Here at Automate 2019 in Chicago, it's all about industrial robotics. But there's a public perception out there from people not in the industry that this level of automation kills jobs. Now, that's not exactly true. I'm with Jurgen von Hollen. He's president of Universal Robots. Jurgen, that belief somehow that robotics like this, like Universal Robots, like the others here at the show, that the belief is that this kills jobs. That's not true, is it?
No, absolutely correct. So the answer is that today the labor shortage that we actually have in the US, but also globally, is much, much lower than we'll ever, and it's just starting. So today in the US, there's about 500,000 jobs that are not being filled today. By the year 2028, we're looking at over 2.5 million jobs being not filled in manufacturing roles. And this is happening globally, whether you're in China, Mexico, India, it doesn't make a difference. The lower level activities are not being filled.
Now, Jurgen, is this a matter of demographics? Is it not enough children? Is it a lack of skills? What are the factors for this?
Well, I think one of the big drivers, of course, is that human evolution is also that we believe that we should be doing more creative things, using our brains. And repetition and, let's say, ergonomically unsafe activities over and over is not good for us. So even when they do find the resource to do the job, they don't stay very long. So it's natural for the human to actually want to evolve and move up the food chain.
Now, historically, the common perception, we see this on the CNNs of the world, the mass market, is that factory automation means instant massive layoffs. A factory is completely automated in one go, and suddenly 4,000 people are laid off, and those individuals now are unemployable somehow. Now, as I understand it, is that factory automation means that not only does it mean employment levels may stay the same or increase, but the actual jobs themselves get better.
Well, I think it's an important part, is that if you understand the dynamics of today's world, I think that the ability to use your resources effectively and efficiently means deploying them at the right parts of your production. And for us, one of the key drivers, if you look at the statistics of using automation or a human separately, the actual productivity is not that great. But if you combine them doing the right tasks, where each one of them is actually doing something effective, the actual productivity is 85% higher. So from a deployment perspective of resources and where you can get the most gains, that's one valid aspect of it. But furthermore, if you look at the world of customers and product life cycles, we're moving to more and more mass customization. So 20 years ago, the holy grail in manufacturing was lights out, no humans, right? Manufacturing. That has changed dramatically. And in fact, it's almost impossible to have a static manufacturing environment. So the idea of a collaborative robot coming into that, the flexibility aspect, is critical for automation today.
Now, in America, 250,000 manufacturing companies, 190,000 of them have 20 or fewer employees. Will this revolution affect those small manufacturers as much as the big ones?
Well, one of the key things about Universal Robots was when we started the company, it was about the small, medium-sized companies. So we really wanted to bring automation, which was always, kept for the exclusive large customer base, to also the small and medium. So the key for us was about making them just as competitive, giving an equal chance to be globally competitive. So in the initiatives that we see today, for example, like reshoring and this global world that we are living in, it is absolutely key that our technology and automation technology in general is also applied to the small and medium. It is essential for that.
More and better jobs, not fewer jobs, with industrial automation, says Jurgen von Hollen of Universal Robots.